This tutorial shows you how to enable near-field communication for contactless payments and data transfer. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Connections. Following that, tap on NFC and contactless payments. Now, you'll see the NFC toggle at the top. Moving forward, tap the toggle to turn on NFC. Afterwards, once enabled, you can use features like Samsung Pay, Google Pay, or Tap to Share. In addition to that, you can also enable Android Beam for quick file sharing, if available. Once there, your device is now ready for contactless payments and NFC data transfers. Subsequently, just tap your phone to payment terminals or other NFC devices to use it. And that's it. If this NFC activation guide helped you enable contactless features, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.